Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to add some protection and a rugged look to the interior of our Dodge Ram. Over time, moisture and road debris can really take a toll on your truck's interior, so today we're going to protect our Ram by installing this Mopar floor liner kit. This is Mopar's front and rear all-weather floor liner kit for your 2013-18 Crew Cab Dodge Ram. It's a genuine Mopar kit that was made right here in the USA of high-quality rubberized material that's designed to perfectly fit and contour your interior for maximum protection. They're super easy to remove for cleaning, and they feature the iconic Ram logos. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, installing these floor mats is very straightforward. The first thing you want to do, if you have them, is remove your original floor mats. We don't have any in our case, and now we're going to remove as much dirt as we can from the carpet with a brush, or you can use a vacuum. Get it as clean as you can. You don't want to be grinding any of this dirt into the carpet, so you just want to get it all out. Grab your driver's side floor liner and install it. Attach it to the two factory anchors on the carpet. It's as simple as that, and as you can see, it contours the floor of this truck really nice. Install the passenger side floor liner, then you can move on to the rear. Alright, we're finished with the front. Now we're at the back. Folding up the rear seats will make this slightly easier for you. And we're going to start off with the passenger side piece, because the rear piece is in two sections. Alright, now we'll install the driver's side. Install the driver's side, then lock it to the passenger side so they can attach. Okay, we got our Mopar floor liners installed in our 2015 Ram. They definitely give it a nice rugged look in here, and they're going to keep it a lot more protected. Install couldn't be any more straightforward. It should only take you about 10 or 15 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.